Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x plus y is equals to x times of y, and we solve this problem for all the values of x and y. So here the very first thing we are going to do is first we move the term xy from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as x minus xy plus y, and this whole equation is equal to 0. So here you see that in the first two terms we have x be the common value, so we take common x from here, and when we take common x we get the remaining values are 1 minus y, and here we have plus y, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need more simplifications. You see that here we have this is negative y, but here we have positive y. In order to make this y is negative, we multiply both of the sides by minus 1 on each of these terms. When we multiply by minus 1, it will become here minus x into 1 minus y is equals to 0 multiplied by minus 1. And in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we have minus x into 1 minus y. Here you see that this is plus 1, we need plus 1 here, so that we add plus 1 on both of the sides. So we write here plus 1 is equals to, here 0 times minus 1 becomes 0, and we add this plus 1 on both of the sides. And here we need more simplifications, and now we rearrange the terms, and we have minus x times of 1 minus y, and we rewrite these terms as, and we get here 1 minus y is equals to 0 plus 1 equals to 1. And now you see that both of these two terms involve the factor 1 minus y, so that we will be take common 1 minus y from here, and we get the remaining values are, from here we get minus x, plus from here we get 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we first rearrange the terms, and we write 1 minus y, and we write minus x plus 1 as 1 minus x, and this is equals to plus 1. So here you see that in the left hand side we have, there are two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So we need to make we need to find any two numbers whose product becomes 1, and there are two possibilities. These are 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is also equals to plus 1. So it means that we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we just write 1 minus y is equals to 1. We compare these two factors with these two numbers. So we have 1 minus y is equals to 1, and 1 minus x is also equals to 1. And here we write the second case, and in the second case we compare these two factors with minus 1 and minus 1, and we write 1 minus y equals to minus 1, and 1 minus x is also equals to minus 1. So here we simplify both of these two cases, and we easily get the values of x and y. So if we focus on here, we move minus y to the right hand side, and we get 1. This is positive y becomes, and positive 1 becomes negative 1, and this is negative y becomes positive y. Similarly, in that case we again move minus x to the right hand side and 1 to the left hand side, and we get 1 minus 1 equals to x. So from here we get the value of y is equals to 0. Similarly, from here we get the value of x is equals to 0. So in the first case we get the value of x and y is equals to 0. So similarly we solve the second case, and from here we move minus 1 to the left hand side, and we get 1 plus 1 is equals to y, and from here we again get 1 plus 1 is equals to x. So we get the value of y is equals to 2, and from here we again get the value of x is equals to 2. So we have there are two roots of the given equation, and in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution, or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of these roots, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x plus y equals to x times of y, and here in this side we verify the root xy equals to 0 0. In this side we verify the root xy is equals to 2 and 2. So we need to verify both of these two roots here. And when we substitute these values here, it will be written as 0 plus 0 is equals to 0 multiplied by 0, and we will get here 0 equals to 0. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the first pair of root is satisfied our given question statement, and in the same pattern we verify the second root and we substitute these two values here, and it will becomes 2 plus 2 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2, and we easily get here 4 equals to 4. This shows that the second root is also satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is xy equals to 0 0 and 2 2. This is our final answer of this problem, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.